Konnichiwa, this is your good buddy DT here with another video for you. Let me tell you a story. I was in a DIY store a few days ago, picking up a few things here and there, and I saw an American man struggling while trying to explain to multiple store clerks that he wanted to buy a washing machine cleaner and wanted to know how to use it. I eventually stepped in and helped the guy. Obviously, right? That's what I do. And then I thought, there must be more people out there that need to know this. Why not make a video about that? And did you even know that you could clean a washing machine? Or did you even know that you could wash a washing machine? How does that even work? Well, let's go over that and how to operate your washing machine and or dryer while we're at it. But first, don't forget to subscribe so you can get easier access to all my content. It grows every day, you know. Now, first and foremost, I want to make this general and very true statement. Washing machines in Japan, by default, only use cold water to wash clothes. Now, I'm an American, born and raised, and back in the good old US of A, we had two pipes going into the washing machine. One for hot and one for cold. But if you look at your washing machine here in Japan, there's usually one pipe. And coming out of that pipe, cold water. Now that might be a big deal to some and not a big deal to many, but it's a fact. I've lived in several different prefectures, multiple properties, and it's always been like this. However, currently there are more and more washing machines coming out like the one I am standing in front of that heat up the water to make it hot for you so that you can wash white clothes, etc. Next, let me show you how to wash a load of laundry. If you're watching this, you're probably old enough to know how to wash clothes, and that's cool. However, let me show you what Japanese laundry detergent looks like and the kanji associated with it. Now, sometimes it actually says laundry detergent somewhere on the packaging in English, but mostly, nah, it doesn't. This right here is fabric softener. This is where you will put laundry detergent and bleach. And this is where you put in the fabric softener. Now your inlets might look a little bit different than mine, but just mind the kanji. That's the important part here. Alright, let's wash a load, shall we? Okay, now if it's a sunny day out and you want to take these clothes outside, hang them out on your balcony to save some dough, or hang them in your washroom, whatever the case may be, you just hit this button. This button is just for washing. Doesn't matter what model of washing machine you have, this is the kanji for washing. Now, if it's cold out, rainy out, or you just straight up don't feel like hanging up clothes and you want to wash and dry, if your machine is capable of that, this is the kanji for that, to wash and dry, while this button right here is just to dry. Also, I'd be remiss if I didn't tell you this. I touched on it on another video, how to use hot water or how to take a hot shower in Japan. Now, most washing machines come with a motorized hose that attaches to the back or the side of the machine. This is to pump water out of a filled bathtub. Maybe you water from the bath from the night before, etc. And use it to wash clothes as opposed to fresh water. Now, you would have to consult your manual to figure out how to navigate to that option. But this is what the kanji looks like on our washing machine, and ours is made by Sharp. Okay, finally, let's talk about actually cleaning the washing machine. Now I know what you're thinking, man, I'm good. The laundry detergent will clean the washing machine. Skip! I used to think like that too, and I also used to walk around the house and sleep in my bed back home with shoes on, but never again. Now this product is called Sanjori, and it's made by the company Estee. Now there are other brands out there and usually when you buy them, they're in close proximity to each other. Now you can buy this at a DIY shop like Shimachu Homes or D2, Canes, and others. You can also get them at supermarkets and sometimes drugstores. So the first thing you want to do is release all of the solution into the drum like such. Now step 2. This particular brand claims to kill mold spore buildups within 3 minutes so that you don't have to set your machine to a default wash, which is usually around 30 minutes or more. If you can set your washing machine to wash for 3 minutes. But the minimum wash time on ours is 5 minutes. So for the purpose of this video, let's just assume everyone has a regular washing machine, or that you cannot figure out how to set the time and just put it on a regular wash cycle. Again, note the button for wash. This is why we went over how to wash clothes first, so that you know the appropriate load. After it's done, and if you want to, not mandatory, set it to wash again for however many minutes with an empty machine for good measure. Then it's ready. So essentially this product is a one and done type deal, and they go for about 120 yen a piece, relatively cheap. There are larger sizes out there with larger packaging, but they're usually used for places with multiple machines like laundromats, hotels, etc. And there you have it. That's how you clean your washing machine out, getting bacteria and mold spores out of it. I recommend doing this once a month. Again, thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. I have lots more content and a lot on the way. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace and love. BT out.